Dreamy Time. Bedtime stories for the kids.
In a cozy woodland cottage, nestled among ancient trees, lived Benny the bear and Rosie the raccoon. Tonight, under the soft glow of the moon, they were embarking on a special mission, baking dream cookies. The kitchen, usually filled with the aroma of berries and honey, now carried the magical scent of stardust and whispered wishes. Benny, with his big paws, carefully measured flour that shimmered like moonlight, while Rosie, nimble and quick, whisked in dewdrops collected from silver leaves. The batter, a swirling galaxy of sweet cream and glowing sugar crystals, was finally ready. With gentle care, Benny and Rosie spooned it onto baking sheets, shaped like crescent moons and shooting stars. As they placed the trays into their old, reliable oven, the cottage filled with an even more enchanting fragrance, promising dreams of adventure and joy. Outside, fireflies blinked like tiny messengers, ready to carry these sweet dreams to all the sleeping creatures of the forest. Soon, the dream cookies emerged, golden brown and shimmering with a magical dust made from crushed moonbeams. Benny and Rosie carefully placed them in a woven basket lined with soft moss. It was time for their delivery route. Under the watchful eyes of the stars, they tiptoed through the sleeping woods, leaving a cookie on the doorstep of every animal for the sleepy fox, the dozing deer, and even the little field mice snuggled in their burrows. As the first rays of dawn painted the sky, Benny and Rosie returned to their cozy cottage, their hearts full of warmth. They knew that tonight, the woodland creatures would be dreaming sweet dreams of flying through starry skies, dancing with moonbeams, and exploring magical lands. And as they drifted off to their own sleep, they dreamt of the happy smiles they would see on their friends' faces in the morning, knowing that a little bit of magic and kindness could make the world a sweeter place, one dream cookie at a time. The next morning, the forest buzzed with happy chatter. Squirrels recounted dreams of finding endless acorns, rabbits giggled about floating through fields of giant carrots, and even grumpy old Badger had a smile on his face, remembering a dream of a delightful tea party under a mushroom. Benny and Rosie watched from their porch, their hearts swelling with joy, knowing their midnight baking had brought a little extra happiness to their woodland friends.
Thank you for watching our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Dreamy Time.